What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Touchdowns to Home Runs. My name's Bernie, and today we're going to be doing a player profile breakdown on McKinstry, the 5'11.5", 172-pound cornerback who just made the decision to commit to Alabama. Now, the majority of experts on Rivals and 24/7 Sports did have him committing here, but some experts also did have him committing to Auburn. According to the 24/7 Sports composite ranking system, McKinstry is rated as a 5-star recruit. He's rated as the #1 cornerback in his class. He's rated as the #1 recruit in the state of Alabama, and he's rated as the number 24 overall recruit in the recruiting class of 2021. He's got a lean build with good length for a cornerback. As he's progressed throughout high school, he's added more and more muscle, and he also has very, very good athleticism. He has elite ball skills that could have made him a top wide receiver if he had wanted. He consistently makes contested catches and can out-jump almost anybody. He needs to improve his coverage technique, but right now he is projected to get drafted in the first round of the NFL draft and is getting comparisons to Marcus Peters of the Baltimore Ravens. Alabama has had a sensational recruiting class of 2021. Even before this signing, their class was already ranked #1 nationally. They already had 4 5-star recruits, and this now marks their 13th 4-star signing of the class. If you guys made it to this point in the video, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on this commitment down in the comment section below. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Touchdowns to Home Runs for more commitment breaks just like these. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.